Okay, guys, I'm just going to take you through what I've done on the second part of the prop. So if I just flick this over, now the prop that we are looking at is this one. Let me just pull in the history a second so that I can, you book it, go on, oh, that's it, there we go. So I can pull this across. Right, so there it is there. So I've done £6, 60p worth of commissions, etc, etc, etc. But you can kind of see that, and I've got nothing running. All right, so just get that out to one side. I use this for the initial stages of prop. It's a good tool and it helps me work through. So put in what the initial balance is. Drop down here what the drawdowns are. So I'm allowed 5%, even though it's 10% total, it's 5% on a stop out. If that gets hit, takes the account. So I only work on 5%. And I need to do a day of 0.5, which would come up here. Day profit 12.05, 12.5. Now, ideally, I want that out of the way quick. However, I haven't really got that much of a grace. So what I need to do is then start working out what my position size is, etc. So I'm willing to do 20p per £100. Okay. Now I've only got a limited amount of drawdown. Now it started with 125. That drawdown is now increased. So you'll see this would have started shifting up. So that'll keep moving, but my base trade is 20p a position, give or take. Sometimes you might get a bit naughty, but 20p will do. All right. Work on 20 pips a day, which is £5.22. So my target for the day is 550, and I've achieved it. I'm 58p over that. Okay. More than happy. Works on gross figures. Doesn't take into account the commissions. Okay. So, but that balance does. All right. So what it is, Thursday, GoldenEye, Eurodollar, 2.5. Took 3 trade ideas across sort of 3 hours. 100% win rate, 608 was the gross. But I didn't do my 0.5%. But as each day gets stronger, I'll catch up to that. And eventually one of the days we'll start knocking those off. All right, so there we go. Through, so I did it at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and the 12 o'clock hours. As soon as it hit target, I mark there that my target is done. So switch the machine off. I'm not going to trade anymore because I'm not a moron. I don't gamble and I don't chase. And then I just put the positions in there, what I've done. You know, the 120, some of them are not good, some of them are. Up there is how much it costs me in fees. And that's it. It just quickly tells me where I'm going and what I'm doing. Now tomorrow, it'll be Friday, so I can set all this up for tomorrow now. I'll still be doing GoldenEye, and I only really trade Eurodollar on this market, so that's fine. And I'll be starting tomorrow with 2505.48, so that's ready. That hasn't knocked over, so it's still a base position of 20p. When that goes to 30, I'll start putting 30 and then 40, etc, etc. I still only need 522 on the day to get my 20 pips. So I take it to the nearest 50p. So the target is staying the same at 550. Anything above it, outstanding. But as soon as I've achieved target, I quit. That's it. And that is how I control and work my way through prop. That sheet it's really good. It's clever. It tells me a hell of a lot of information, and that information I can use to go to market and trade out effectively. Catch you soon.